Yeah. And the girls no Gucci, Prada, Louis, Louis, suit. Came to dripping about me, bomb me. You came to test the about one to me. Can't control me, can't control me. I'm angry, can't console me. Can't control me, can't control me. I'm very angry, you can't console me. I like curry, oh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be an update on how I've been able to grow back my edges. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So I've been getting lots of requests to do an update on my edges. Just to give you guys a little bit of a backstory, I had my baby 10 months ago. Yeah, I can't believe it's 10 months. How time flies. So I had her 10 months ago. Like a couple of months after having her, my edges just decided to run away. So I didn't know what was happening to my edges, and it was quite scary for me. So I decided to become very active with, taking very good care of my edges, and that's what I've been doing up till now. I will make something clear. Not everything I am going to show you guys that works for me is gonna work for you. It's always good to try different things, and definitely one will definitely work for you. And when I started trying to grow back my edges, I kind of was using a lot of product. I like I told you guys, some days I use this particular product and some days I use another product. That it's not as if I apply everything on my hair at a particular time. I just use different products, and patience, you can see it's been 10 months and I'm still trying to grow my edges. It's growing gradually, like it's not fast, it's growing gradually. So I'm taking my time, and I'm hoping that with time it's gonna grow. So guys, before I get into showing you guys the product I actually use now, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys my current routine. So normally whenever it is I wash my hair, I make sure I dry my hair with a clean t-shirt. I try as much as I can not to dry my hair with towel, because when you dry your hair with towel, it's gonna cause, when you're drying your hair, it's gonna cause friction, and that friction is not good. It's gonna actually lead to breakage, and here we are trying to grow our edges, so we're trying to be as careful as we possibly can. The next thing I do is to moisturize my hair. I always make sure I moisturize my hair, because naturally I have a very dry hair. I have to make sure I moisturize my hair. So what I normally use is my leave-in conditioner and then my oil, and some other cream to make sure that my hair stays moisturized. And the other thing is that I cannot go to bed without my satin hair bonnet. When I do go to bed without it, it's as if there's something, like a part of me is actually missing. So I make sure I go to bed with my satin bonnet. It is very important. I believe we all that have natural hair, we have satin bonnet, because the benefits are just endless. So on a typical day, if I'm applying anything on my edges, because every day I make sure I apply something on my edges in the morning and at night time. So in the morning, I like going for this. Sometimes I like going for the Dr. Miracle Grow Balm. You guys can see I've used it a lot, but I take a little of it, just trying to use it gradually, and then I massage it onto my edges right there. I make sure I massage it gently, in a circular motion. I do not apply it with a toothbrush. I just feel that the friction might be too hard on the edges, so I just apply with my fingers, and I do it very gently. And then if I decide on a regular day, I decide not to use this Grow Balm, then I use this virgin hair fertilizer. This virgin hair fertilizer is a great hair product. I've known this for a very long time. One thing you should know is that, I keep saying this, I know you guys are going to say, you keep saying this, consistency. If you're not consistent, it's not gonna, nothing will work for you. So try as much as you can to be consistent with whatever you're doing. This is just like my normal routine. This is my normal daily thing. I can't just go out without putting on something on my edges. I need to apply this stuff on my edges. So on a typical day when I did not use this, I definitely use the virgin hair fertilizer. Then, or if I don't use using the virgin hair fertilizer, there's this new thing I started using, which is the shea butter. I use the shea butter. You guys can see I've been using it a lot, nowadays. I love using African shea butter. I use it on my edges and also on my stretch marks on my belly. I apply it on my belly and on my edges as well. As you guys can see, I got this ones from Nigeria. I actually bought them from Nigeria, but you can buy this from a local beauty store near you. You just tell them you want to buy African shea butter. So as you guys can see, I've actually used up this one. They put the thing in this jar. This is not the original jar, so they put the thing in this jar, and I'm done. I finished using this one. As you guys, it's empty. So I have a new one, another jar. I'm gonna start using this new jar now, you know, because I love using this and it does an amazing job with my stretch marks. I've actually noticed some difference on my tummy and I am so happy about that. It has a lot of benefits. If you don't know, just Google African shea butter. It has a lot of benefits on our skin, our hair. So I've actually decided recently to start applying it on my edges. So the day I don't apply this too, I just apply the shea butter. Then when it's night time, I choose between what is it called, black castor oil or my coconut oil. So it's either I use the black castor oil for that day or I use the coconut oil for that day, which brings me down to using just 2 products on my edges in a typical day. You know, in the morning I use one, at night time I use one. So maybe the following day in the morning I'll use this and night I use this. That is how I use it, and they have been working for me, you know, and I've been having patience as well, because you don't expect it to happen overnight. So I've actually dropped a lot of products, and these are the things I'm doing at the moment. I've actually dropped a lot of products, so these are the products I use at the moment. They are very affordable products, and don't forget, consistency matters. Be patient and then just try different products. If you try one and it doesn't work for you, try something else. Be open to try other things, and you never can tell which will end up being the best for you. So that is what is going to be for this video. I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be another haul video. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and